The first three terms of a geometric sequence are 16, 14, and 1. Calculate the value of the 12th term, and importantly, leave your answer in simplified exponential form. So immediately they tell us this is a geometric sequence. So this is great. So we know now that we're going to have to find a common ratio, a ratio difference. And that's very easy to see because 16, 4, and 1. And remember, it's always the same for geometric sequences. The common ratio will be equal to 4 divided by 16. And that is simplified a quarter. So once we have this, we can now use the formula for calculating any term in a geometric sequence. And that looks like this. Tn equals A, the common ratio, n minus 1. So they want us to find the 12th term. So let's find the 12th term. A is 16. That's the first term in the sequence. Our common ratio is a quarter. And n minus 1, 12 minus 1. That will be equal to 11. And they want it as simplified exponential form. So what that means is they don't want us to punch it in on a calculator and give it in decimals. So let's see, that will be 416 over 4 to the 11. And then that can be expressed as 4 to the power of 2. 4 to the 11, and here's very important. Remember, just like when you say 4 times 4, 2, these are exponential laws. When your bases are the same, you can add your exponent. So this would be the same as 4 to the power of 5. When we're dealing with a division symbol, it's the exact same premise, but now we are minusing. So this will be 4 11 minus 2 is what? 9. So that will be 1 over 4 to the power of 9. You can also look at it as if you have the same base and 5 and the same base as 7. I always like to say I need to subtract everything of the smallest number. So the smallest number is 5, so 5 minus 5 is 0. This will become 1. 7 minus 5 is 2. So all that's left is 1 over b to the 2. That's how I like to look at it. So leave it in simplified notation, 1 over 4 to the 9. And this is the answer. If you were to not give it in this form, or something similar where you still have an exponent, you will not receive your full marks. And that is the question solved.